What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get it. Let's talk about CRONOS. And right here in this video, we're going to be talking about what are the whales doing, and we want to get into kind of the mindset, because right now it's all about mindset. We're going to talk about numbers here. We're not going to push, pump sunshine. We're not going to talk about things that aren't going to happen. We're going to talk about numbers. And in this video, we're going to talk about the 2-year high that CRONOS is on. And at the end of this video, hopefully you guys have a better understanding where CRONOS is headed to. Okay, so let's get down into it. Appreciate you guys rocking with me here on the channel. And I do want to thank you guys, because I used to talk about crypto.com a lot. I'm a big fan of what their reward structure was within their credit card back in the day. And, it's been kind of a sleeping giant, in my opinion, for quite some time. And I did a CRONOS video, and I'm friends with a lot of people in the space that do cover CRO a lot. And it was one where it was received really well. So I do want to thank all of my subscribers and people that started following me because of that video. So each and every one of you guys, I want to say thank you. All right, but before we get down into it, if you have not done so, this is a perfect opportunity to like, comment, and subscribe. And put that CRO down below in the chat, okay? But let's get into it. Hitting a 2-year high. The aim right now is to get past 20 cents, okay? This is just coming out, but the main storyline here is what CRONOS is doing right now on the day. That is essentially, we're getting close to it, guys. That is as sharp as it comes. There has been a little bit of a sell-off at the top, but this is, borderline. We almost started a God candle, okay? Getting from down as low as 7 cents when we did flash momentum up. It was a little bit 6 and some change. And then since then, getting as high as, we wicked up to 23 cents, which was absolutely fantastic. So right now, trading at 16.7. The talk now is getting back to that 20 cents, okay? That is where we want to rally past. I'm going to talk about that in this video. And as always, guys, please remember, these are just my opinions. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research, okay? But the big storyline right now are the whales, okay? And what the whales have done is they've pushed CRONOS's trading volume to $1.2 billion, 1.21 to be exact. That's a 340% increase in trading volume as whale activity gained momentum. This data is coming out of Santiment, one of the favorite data providers that I use here to talk crypto. And a whale constitutes a trade of 100,000 if they hold 100,000 or more worth of CRO. That number went from 19 to 126 over just a 1-day time frame. Okay, that's some serious stuff. That is why I say that I'm going to talk about the numbers and not sunshine, because this is concrete. Okay, now that 126 may drop, it may fall, but right now that is concrete. That is something tangible. That is something we can wrap our heads around. All right. Now, within the RSI, we did get above 90, so that is meaning that CRONOS was overbought. That's a very, very huge out. I guess you would say it's weighed heavily to being overbought. A lot of that could hint to what we saw. Right? That's why we saw that little bit of a correction. We were running a little bit too hot, okay? But that's all healthy, right? Crypto just can't go up. There has to be a lot of dips along the way. Corrections are healthy if they are maintained within a rally, okay? Now, the sentiment behind CRONOS still remains pretty positive. Okay, we are still down from the all-time high we hit in November 21, where we did almost hit $1. So $1 CRONOS is definitely going to be the target for a lot of traders out there, all right? But right now, what we have to talk about is profit taking, okay? There's been a lot of steam coming out of the funding rate for CRO dropping to 0.001% over the last 2 days, indicating that we are going to have a little bit of a cool down, but as liquidations start to take place, what is going to happen to CRO's price, okay? That is something where if we do get a short squeeze, we do get shorts kind of getting squeezed out of the market, CRONOS could rise, all right? So we're going to monitor this. I think that we talked about it in that past video, right? The collaboration, the collaboration within that partnership that lies within the Google Cloud. That is one of the more bullish things that we have going for us. That is the noise in the news that CRONOS has a partnership with Google Cloud to become the platform's primary validator, okay? So that's kind of where we're at, all right? And that is why we wanted to talk about it. To rally to 20 cents, that is where we will hit that two-year high once more. We have to talk about the open interest. That's kind of what we went down. The uptick, we've talked about the whale wallets increasing. We've talked about new participants entering the market. And 20 cents may happen very soon once again, okay? So if you guys want to know more about what's happening with all things CRONOS, make sure you guys subscribe right here to the channel. We're going to talk about it basically every single day from here on out. Love the support. Love the intensity of the CRO family, okay? And the best way you could show YouTube that you guys hold CRONOS is by putting that CRO down below in the chat. We'll have news and updates along the way. Appreciate you guys watching. If you guys do want to know more about what's going on in other cryptocurrencies, we do talk about pretty much everything crypto related every single day. So appreciate you guys all joining here. But right now, the big increasing story that we have going on right now is we are seeing some of that liquidation at the top, but the whale trading volume at $1.21 billion right now is something that cannot be ignored, okay? So we're going to be talking about it. We will have news and updates along the way. Like I said, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.